People find this super challenging. A lot of you out there think building muscle and losing weight at the same time is impossible. Perhaps you believe it's like trying to solve a complex puzzle with missing pieces. But here's the thing. It's not as impossible as it seems. But let me tell you something, it's totally doable. With the right approach and mindset, you can achieve both goals simultaneously. By the end of this video, you'll be much more ahead of others. This is no BS best and worst foods to eat to both lose weight and gain huge muscles in no time. The secret? It all starts with the right fuel. Your body needs the proper nutrients to function at its best. So, if you're ready to transform your body, get those gains, and shred those extra pounds, then stick around because in this video, we are ranking the very best foods to eat when you want to build muscle and lose weight at the very same time. We start right now. First up, we got the OG of gains, the one and only chicken breast. Now, I know what you're thinking. Chicken breast, really? That's boring. But listen, we're talking about a whole new level of deliciousness here. We're talking juicy, flavorful, and packed with protein. Imagine biting into a piece that's tender and bursting with taste. We're talking about a lean, mean, muscle-building machine. This is the kind of food that fuels champions. This bad boy is low in calories and fat, but high in protein, which is exactly what you need to fuel those workouts and recover like a champ. It's the perfect pre- or post-workout meal. And the best part, it's affordable and versatile as hell. You don't have to break the bank to eat like a pro. You can grill it, bake it, saute it, shred it, dice it. The possibilities are endless. Whether you're a kitchen novice or a seasoned chef, chicken breast has got your back. So don't underestimate the power of the chicken breast, my friends. It's more than just a piece of meat. It's a lifestyle choice. It's a classic for a reason. It stood the test of time and continues to be a favorite. It's like the people's champ of the food world. So next time you're planning your meals, remember the OG of gains, the mighty chicken breast. A real powerhouse in the ring. Greek yogurt. This isn't just any ordinary yogurt, it's a game changer. This ain't your sugary, fruit on the bottom kind of yogurt. Nope. We're talking about the pure, unadulterated version. We're talking about the thick, creamy, protein-packed champion of the dairy aisle. It's the kind of yogurt that makes you feel like you're indulging, but without the guilt. Greek yogurt is like the hidden dragon of the fitness world. It's stealthy but powerful, providing you with the nutrients you need to power through your workouts. It's got more protein than regular yogurt, it's low in calories, and it's perfect for those looking to build muscle or lose weight. And it's loaded with probiotics, which are good for your gut health. These beneficial bacteria help keep your digestive system running smoothly. A healthy gut means better digestion, which means your body can absorb all those muscle-building nutrients more efficiently. Plus, it's super versatile. You can enjoy it in so many ways. You can eat it plain, add it to smoothies, or even mix it with your favorite fruits and nuts for a delicious parfait. Or use it as a healthier substitute for sour cream or mayo in your recipes. Imagine creamy dips and dressings that are actually good for you. And the best part, it's budget-friendly. You don't have to break the bank to eat healthy. So next time you're at the grocery store, grab yourself some Greek yogurt. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your diet and overall health. Now let's talk about a grain, quinoa. This ain't your average side dish, folks. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build muscle and recover properly. It's also a good source of fiber, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied, so you're less likely to reach for those unhealthy snacks. And let's not forget about its versatility. You can use quinoa as a base for grain bowls, salads, or even as a substitute for rice. It's like the Swiss Army knife of the grain world. So ditch the white rice and embrace the power of quinoa. Your taste buds and your muscles will thank you. Salmon, the king of omega-3s. Alright, let's dive into the ocean and talk about a true champion, salmon. This fish is loaded with protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for muscle growth, fat loss, and overall health. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and even boost brain function. Plus, salmon is just plain delicious. Now, I know what you're thinking. Salmon can be a bit pricey, Dwayne, and you're right. It's not the cheapest option on the list. But trust me, the benefits are worth every penny. Think of it as an investment in your health and fitness goals. Plus, there are ways to make it more affordable, like buying frozen salmon or opting for canned salmon, which is just as nutritious. Cottage cheese, the comeback hit. Now let's talk about a food that's making a serious comeback. Cottage cheese. This often overlooked dairy product is a protein powerhouse that's low in calories and high in casein protein. a slow-digesting protein that's perfect for muscle recovery and growth. Cottage cheese is also a good source of calcium, which is important for strong bones and teeth. And the best part? It's super versatile. You can eat it plain, add it to smoothies, or use it as a base for dips and sauces. It's like the chameleon of the dairy aisle, so don't be afraid to give cottage cheese another try. It's a delicious and nutritious way to fuel your body and reach your fitness goals. Eggs, the breakfast of champions, and lunch and dinner. Let's talk about a true breakfast staple. Packed with protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals, they're also incredibly versatile. You can scramble them, fry them, poach them, bake them. The possibilities are endless. And the best part, eggs are incredibly affordable, making them a great option for people on a budget. So whether you're starting your day with a protein-packed omelet or adding a hard-boiled egg to your salad, don't underestimate the power of the humble egg. It's a true champion in the world of nutrition. A plant-based protein powerhouse. Lentils. These tiny but mighty legumes are packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. They're also incredibly affordable and versatile, making them a great addition to soups, stews, salads, and more. Lentils are also a great source of iron, which is essential for transporting oxygen throughout the body, which is crucial for muscle growth and recovery. So if you're looking for a delicious and nutritious way to boost your protein intake, look no further than lentils. They're a true champion in the world of plant-based nutrition. A snack that's both delicious and nutritious. Almonds. These nuts are packed with protein, healthy fats, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. They're also a great source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. And the best part? Almonds are incredibly convenient. You can keep a bag in your car, purse, or gym bag for a quick and easy snack on the go. So next time you're feeling hungry between meals, reach for a handful of almonds instead of processed junk food. Your body will thank you. Let's talk about a leafy green that's more than just a salad-based spinach. This nutrient-rich vegetable is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's also a good source of iron, which is essential for muscle growth and repair. And the best part? Spinach is incredibly versatile. You can add it to smoothies, soups, stews, or even just saute it with some garlic for a delicious and nutritious side dish. So channel your inner Popeye and load up on spinach. It's a true champion in the world of healthy eating. A delicious and nutritious carbohydrate source, sweet potatoes. These root vegetables are packed with complex carbohydrates, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. They're also a good source of beta-carotene, an antioxidant that your body converts into vitamin A, which is important for healthy vision, skin, and immune function. And the best part? Sweet potatoes are incredibly versatile. You can bake them, roast them, mash them, or even spiralize them into noodles. So ditch the white potatoes and embrace the power of the sweet potato. It's a delicious and nutritious way to fuel your body and reach your fitness goals. Now it's time to address a common pitfall that can sabotage your fitness journey: sugar-laden foods. These tempting treats might taste good, but they provide empty calories that can derail your progress. Consuming too much sugar can lead to weight gain and even muscle loss, undermining all your hard work at the gym. Sugary snacks and drinks might give you a quick energy boost, but they can cause a rapid spike and crash in your blood sugar levels, leaving you feeling tired and craving more sugar. This vicious cycle can seriously hinder your ability to build muscle and maintain a healthy weight. So, how can you stay on track? Start by reading food labels carefully. Aspartame and other sweeteners might help you. Also, focus on whole, unprocessed foods that are rich in nutrients and low in added sugars. Trans fats. These sneaky culprits are often found in fried foods and processed snacks, and they can wreak havoc on your health. Trans fats are infamous for increasing bad cholesterol levels, which can lead to heart disease, a serious risk for anyone, especially those striving to build muscle and improve their fitness. Consuming foods high in trans fats not only undermines your hard work, but can also have long-term health consequences. Look out for terms like partially hydrogenated oils, which are a clear indicator of trans fats. Opt for healthier fats found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, which can actually support your fitness goals. Sodium. High sodium foods can cause water retention and bloating, making you feel sluggish and less motivated to hit the gym. But the impact of sodium doesn't stop there. Consuming too much can lead to elevated blood pressure, putting unnecessary strain on your heart and blood vessels. Processed foods and salty snacks are the usual suspects when it comes to sodium overload. These culprits can quickly undermine your hard-earned muscle definition, making all those hours in the gym feel like they were in vain. But don't worry, there's a simple fix. Start by limiting your intake of these high-sodium foods. Opt for fresh, whole foods whenever possible, and always check nutrition labels for hidden sodium content. Making this small but significant change can help you maintain muscle definition, so take control over the sodium overload. If you liked this video, please consider liking and subscribing. See you soon.